Sparkle Tornado. This invention is about to revolutionize the way you stay cool in the summer. Gone are the days of sweating it out under the scorching sun. With Sparkle Tornado, you can breeze through the hottest days with style. This isn't just any ordinary fan. It's a compact, powerful, and fashionable and also wearable air conditioner. Yes, you heard it right, a wearable AC. We've all been there, sweating through our clothes, desperately seeking any source of relief from the relentless heat. But fear not, because Sparkle Tornado is here to rescue you from the clutches of summer discomfort. Philips X Cocoon Headphones. Imagine after a long day, you slip into your cozy bed, ready to embrace the sweet embrace of sleep. But what if I told you there's a way to enhance that sleep experience to a whole new level? Enter the Philips X Cocoon Sleep Headphones, an innovation designed for deep relaxation. These are not just your average headphones, they are a sleep sanctuary. Combining Philips' expertise in sleep technology to comfort, these headphones are a game changer for those seeking the perfect night's sleep. It's equipped with active and passive noise cancellation, ensuring you can sleep even in the noisy environments. Focusound. This invention is about to change the way you experience sound. The Focusound, a see-through glass directional speaker that beams audio directly to you. Imagine a world where sound is not just heard but felt, where you can enjoy your favorite tunes or immerse yourself in a movie without disturbing those around you. Well, that world is here, thanks to Focusound. What sets the IT apart is its incredible technology. This transparent marvel transforms any glass surface into a directional speaker, creating a personal sound bubble just for you. It utilizes advanced directional audio technology to transmit a concentrated beam of sound directly to the listener. It's like having your own private concert or home theater experience without the need for bulky speakers. iRobot. Imagine a bustling warehouse filled with goods, and in the midst of it all, Casey is hard at work, revolutionizing the way things move and groove in the world of logistics. It isn't just any robot, it's the future of case-picking technology. Designed to streamline the entire picking process, Casey is here to make your warehouse operations faster, smarter, and more efficient. It's equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence that allow it to navigate through the warehouse with precision. Casey knows where it's going, and it knows how to get there without bumping into anything. Sense Robot. Meet the Sense Robot, a game changer in the world of board games. Board games have been a staple of fun and learning for generations, but now, they're getting a high-tech upgrade. Sense Robot is not just a player, it's your personal game master, here to make every move count and keep you on your toes. It's like having a board game buddy who's always ready for a match. It's equipped with a robotic arm, a sleek screen, and the power of artificial intelligence all in one. With its AI-powered brain, it keeps track of the game, provides hints, and even introduces new challenges to keep you on your toes. It's designed to enhance attention and engagement. It adapts to the player's skill level, making every game challenging yet enjoyable. iRobot. The iRobot is an AI-powered tiny vacuum cleaner that's about to turn your cleaning routine upside down. Keeping our home squeaky clean can feel like an uphill battle. That's where the iRobot comes in, your tiny but mighty cleaning companion. It navigates your home like a pro, ensuring that no dust bunny is left unturned. Its smart sensors and advanced algorithms allow it to map your home efficiently. From room to room and surface to surface, the iRobot knows exactly where to go and what needs a good clean. It adapts to different floor types. So, whether you're dealing with spilled cereal in the kitchen or a trail of pet hair in the living room, the iRobot has got you covered. Blanc Robot. The Blanc Robot is designed for safety, reliability, and endless possibilities. It's an effortless autonomous transport that's not just smart but also safe and reliable. This robotic marvel boasts a redundant system, ensuring that even in the rare event of a glitch, your transport continues smoothly and safely. Moreover, it's modular. This means it's not confined to a single application, it's a platform that adapts to your needs. Its advanced sensors and navigation systems ensure it moves with precision and awareness in any environment. Whether you're thinking about transport in a warehouse, a hospital, or even the bustling streets of a city, Blanc Robot has got you covered. UGOT Robot. The UGOT Robot is versatile AI robotic kit that's not just easy to assemble but packs a punch with some mind-blowing features. Imagine having the power to build your own robot, a quadruped marvel, in just 2 minutes. Well, with the UGOT Robot, that dream is now a reality. What sets it apart is its unique modular design. This isn't just a kit, it's a canvas for your imagination. Easily assemble your robot in no time, and watch as it comes to life with a simple click on the app. With a single click, you can awaken your UGOT Robot and dive into a world of possibilities. Control its movements, customize its behavior, and even embark on exciting missions all at your fingertips. Cooler Master. We know that our workspace is more than just a desk and a chair, it's our command center, our creative hub. And Cooler Master has just taken it to a whole new level with the ORBX. Imagine having a workspace that's not just functional but an experience in itself. Wireless charging? Check. No more tangled cords and searching for outlets. Just place your device on the charging pad, and let the ORBX take care of the rest. It boasts an extra-large desk space, perfect for those who love to multitask or need room for their creative endeavors. It's a customized comfort experience. With 6-point adjustability, you can tailor your workspace to your liking, ensuring superior ergonomics and reducing fatigue during those long work sessions. The ARGB illumination not only adds a touch of personality to your workspace but also provides a visually immersive experience. Enhanced privacy features create a focused and secluded environment, allowing you to dive deep into your work without distractions. WeHead. A world where connectivity is key, WeHead is stepping into the spotlight as the herald of a new era in hybrid meetings. It's not just a device, it's a spiritual connection, a head-shaped marvel that's about to redefine the way we communicate. Imagine having a virtual meeting experience like never before. The WeHead introduces the concept of spiritual video communication. It's not just about seeing and hearing, it's about feeling connected on a deeper level. Ascento Pro. A world where mobility is the key, the Ascento Pro robot takes center stage as a two-wheeled wonder that's breaking the boundaries of traditional robotics. It's not just a robot, it's a game-changer that can go anywhere, do anything. The Ascento Pro is not confined to flat surfaces, it's a master of mobility that can effortlessly ascend stairs, drive autonomously, and even charge itself. The Ascento Pro's dynamic legs allow it to conquer stairs with ease, making it the ultimate companion for navigating any environment. With an impressive 8-hour battery life, the Ascento Pro can roam autonomously, ensuring that it's always ready for action. Plus, with swappable batteries and a suite of sensors, it's designed for seamless and uninterrupted operation. It can effortlessly travel at a swift 12 km per hour, making it not just a robot but a speedy companion for your on-the-go lifestyle. I hope you enjoyed the journey of these cool and futuristic inventions. Subscribe the channel for more like these. Bye.